3D artists and truck modeling enthusiasts, we got something special for your toolkit today. The Mack chassis with Camelback suspension, a foundational piece for your classic truck projects. This isn't just another 3D model. It's the perfect base for creators who already have truck cabs and need an authentically detailed chassis to complete their builds. With 183,517 meticulously crafted polygons, we've captured every essential element of this legendary chassis. The Camelback suspension, a signature Mack feature, has been recreated with technical precision to showcase its rugged design and exceptional load-bearing capacity. We've included detailed wheels, tires, and radiator to deliver a complete package ready to pair with your existing cab models. What makes this model stand out is its focus on functionality and adaptability. In Blender, you'll find separate wheels and rims for smooth animation and customization, material-based mesh organization for hassle-free texturing, PBR materials including diamond plate metal and rubber tires, pristine and ready for your weathering touches. This Mack chassis with Camelback suspension is available now for your projects. Whether you're building American truck simulator mods, cinematic renders, or historical recreations, this chassis provides a perfect foundation. Purchase links are in the description. But this is more than just a model. We want to hear from you. What other components would you like to see modeled with this level of detail? Air suspension systems? Vintage transmission setups? Your suggestions could become our next project. If you find this content valuable, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Every interaction helps us create more resources for the 3D modeling community. So tell us, how will you use this chassis in your projects? Will you pair it with a classic Mack cab? Or create something entirely unique with a custom cab design? In 3D modeling, it's often the fundamental pieces that enable most extraordinary creations. With this Mack chassis, you've got everything needed to build something truly remarkable.